Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at the 2008 DUCATI HYPERMOTARD 1100S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2008 DUCATI HYPERMOTARD 1100S with 1,472 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS and traction control. It's been upgraded with Termagony mufflers, passenger footrest, a rear fender eliminator kit, bar end mirrors, a sergeant seat, and carbon fiber body panels. Powered by a 1078cc L-twin engine, the HYPERMOTARD puts 90 horsepower and 76 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 3.3-gallon fuel capacity, HYPERMOTARD has an 80 to 95-mile range. It has a 33.2-inch seat height and a 440-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire and rear tire are both at 330 seconds, and we took this bike for a test ride. Our technician noted that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. We found no blemishes above normal wear for a vehicle of this year, mileage, and type. This bike has 2 keys, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for 30 days or 1,000 miles. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.